Welcome back to AM Northwest on this Giving Tuesday. We want to shine a light on a local organization working hard to address one of the biggest issues facing our city, homelessness. Here to share what they do and how you can support their efforts, we welcome from Impact Northwest Program Manager Diana Marquez, along with board member and Government Affairs Director of PepsiCo, Jim Nam. Good morning to the two of you. Jim, let me start with you. Tell me a little bit more about Impact Northwest. What do you do? What do they do exactly?
Good morning. Yes, we see the homelessness crisis, and state and city leaders continue to tackle this crisis with nonprofit organizations. And we see teens, mothers, fathers, senior citizens, and homeless veterans on the streets fighting for one more day. Impact Northwest is one of the largest and most comprehensive organizations in the region focused on homelessness. They take a holistic approach. Their dedicated staff walk the struggles every day with these homeless people in our community. They're focused on long-term solutions to address the housing crisis as well as homelessness. And how they do that is they keep people housed so they don't end up on the streets to ensure a strong, equitable community with opportunity for everyone. Right now in the Tri-County area, there are about 100,000 people at risk of losing their home right now.
Wow.
And in wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, that problem has been exacerbated.
Yeah.
A lot of Oregon families are just one emergency away.
Right.
One medical bill, one job loss away from losing their home. And it's more cost effective and less traumatic to keep these families housed in their homes. And it costs roughly about $1,250 to keep a family of four housed. These families work hard and struggle every day. They're not out there looking for, just assistance out of the sake of looking for assistance. They are struggling and they're trying to make ends meet.
Right.
A little generosity and care from all of us in the community will go a long way to keep these families in their homes.
Diana, can you tell me about somebody who's been helped by Impact Northwest?
Yeah, we saw a client by the name of Selene. She came to one of the community resource desks. It's a program that we have with the Providence hospitals. We have 5 desks. And she came with us to ask for resources, a range of stuff that she needed help with. And we were able to help her with, energy assistance, some clothing for her kids to go to school. We helped her furnish her place because she found a new place. So yeah, we were able to help with a lot of resources. We continue to help her. Yeah, and she's very grateful, and she's able to, support her family now. She's also in a program to, to learn more English so she can get a better job.
Tell me a little bit more about the hospital-based navigation services.
Yeah, so we have a community resource desk. It's called with Providence Hospitals. It's open to the community. It doesn't matter if they have health insurance with Providence or even they have a provider with Providence. It's open to the community. We also have 4 desks with Kaiser Permanente. And pretty much we're based on the hospitals, and anybody can come and ask for resources. The hospitals also do referrals. People from the streets will come and ask for resources. Our job is to do a full intake with the client and manage to see what resources we can help with. The number one resources asked for is housing, which is one of the resources, they are the hardest to get. So, we do ask, for donations to continue to help, the community.
Right. Jim, on this Giving Tuesday, how would you like our viewers to respond? What would you like them to know?
Well, any donation matters, and today is a very important day. Providence Health Services will match any donation up to $10,000. So we ask everyone to give. I'm giving today. Go on to Impact Northwest website to give. It's important to give throughout the year. We can overcome this crisis if we all work together as a community.
Absolutely. We want to tell our viewers that if you would like to find out more and to donate, please just go to KATU.com/GivingTuesday and help out Impact Northwest, keeping people off the streets. It's so very important. Diana and Jim, thank you for all you do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're back.